All right, good afternoon. It's John from Houston out here with Alyssa in League City. Hi. And we're going to be searching for a lost wedding ring, and Alyssa's going to give us a little rundown.
Redoing the porch, and ring slipped off my finger somewhere in our mess.
Okay. All right, Alyssa pointed out they're working on the back porch, so they're stripping off all the old, coming back with the new, and she believes somewhere in the process of throwing material that ring went out into the yard somewhere. Yeah. Tell me a little bit about your ring. How long have you been married?
Oh, we've been married 2 years.
2 years. All right, so relatively new ring. Want to get that back, right?
Yeah.
So you said it's white gold with some diamonds.
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right, so here's our little area to search, relatively small area. My concern is we may end up having to move all the material to check underneath, but Alyssa seems to think it's out in this general area, so let's get started. Target. Little race truck, we're doing good already. Find that truck?
I just did.
How you doing?
Man,
nice to meet you. We may end up having to move this. We're going to clear an area. We may end up moving the debris over because everything's checking kind of clear out here. I'm looking at a few more spots. Stuff up. Stuff like this, you want to make sure it's not wedged in there somewhere.
I take it this isn't your first rodeo.
No.
Did you see it?
I do.
Awesome. Knew it had to be there.
Yeah, I checked it here.
Camera.
Thinking that's the newer stuff.
All right, Alyssa finds her own ring. we started clearing. We had scanned the yard, pretty much covered everything to the area we believe that could have flown off her hand, and the only place left practical was going to be in the pile of debris. So we got half of it moved, and she saw it sitting in between a couple of timbers right there. Nice. Good day?
Well, it's a good day.
All right, very good. Stand by.